This isn't just a truck. It's a revolution on four wheels. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter storms into the off-road world like a beast engineered for the future, rugged, intelligent, and unapologetically bold. But here's the real question. Is this the ultimate overlanding machine we've all been waiting for? Let's find out. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated off-road trucks ever built, the 2026 Tacoma Trailhunter. Designed for explorers, engineered for extremes, and built with a purpose that goes far beyond the pavement. This isn't just another trim level. This is Toyota going all in on overlanding. The moment you see the Tacoma Trailhunter, you know this isn't your average pickup. It doesn't whisper capability. It shouts it. At the rear, the LED taillights glow with a futuristic signature, while the embossed tailgate branding reinforces its identity. This is Trailhunter. This is purpose-built adventure. Step inside, and the transformation continues, but in a completely different language. Gone is the purely utilitarian feel of old-school off-roaders. Instead, the Trailhunter welcomes you into what feels like a rugged digital command center. Front and center is a large, high-resolution infotainment display, clean, responsive, and intuitive. It's not just a screen. It's your mission control, navigation, off-road data, camera systems, all at your fingertips. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital gauge cluster delivers real-time information with stunning clarity. Terrain modes, pitch and roll angles, vehicle diagnostics, it's all there, designed to keep you informed no matter how far off the grid you go. The steering wheel itself? Thick, grippy, and wrapped in premium materials that feel built to last. Subtle accents remind you that this isn't just any Tacoma. This is the Trailhunter. Materials throughout the cabin strike a perfect balance between durability and comfort. You'll find rugged textiles, reinforced stitching, and surfaces designed to withstand dust, mud, and wear, without sacrificing that premium feel. And yes, it's practical. Storage compartments are smartly placed. Controls are intuitive. Physical buttons remain where they matter most, because when you're off-road, touchscreens alone just don't cut it. This interior isn't about luxury for the sake of it. It's about intelligent design that supports real-world adventure. Now, let's talk about what really matters, what's under the hood. The 2026 Tacoma Trailhunter is powered by Toyota's latest hybridized powertrain. And no, this isn't about fuel economy alone. This is about intelligent power. You get a turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, delivering instant torque exactly when you need it. Climbing steep trails? Crawling over rocks? Power delivery feels immediate, controlled, and relentless. This isn't brute force. It's precision performance. The hybrid system enhances low-end torque, which is crucial for off-roading. And when combined with advanced four-wheel drive systems, locking differentials, and multi-terrain select modes, the Trailhunter becomes a machine that adapts to its environment in real time.
Mud, sand, rock,
snow. It doesn't just handle them, it dominates them. Suspension is another highlight. Specially tuned for overlanding, it absorbs punishment while maintaining stability. Long travel, enhanced articulation, and serious durability make it clear this truck was built for the long haul. And let's not forget the exhaust system. Engineered to sit high and tight, allowing for better clearance and water-fording capability. Every detail has a purpose. So the question is, can it outperform traditional off-road legends? Honestly, it might already be doing that. But this isn't just about raw capability. The Trailhunter brings intelligence into the equation. Toyota has equipped this truck with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, it's all here. But more importantly, it's refined for real-world use. Off-road camera systems provide multiple viewing angles, helping you navigate tight trails with confidence. Blind spots? Not anymore. Then there's terrain management technology. The truck doesn't just respond, it anticipates. It adjusts throttle response, braking, and traction based on the surface beneath you. This is where innovation meets intuition. And because it's a hybrid, you also get improved efficiency without compromising capability. That means longer journeys, fewer fuel stops, and more time exploring. It's not just a truck. It's a smart companion. So, where does the Tacoma Trailhunter fit in the market? Right at the center of a growing movement. Overlanding isn't niche anymore. It's a lifestyle. And Toyota knows it. Instead of forcing buyers to build their dream rig aftermarket, they've delivered a factory-ready solution. That's a game changer. Competitors are watching closely. Because this isn't just a truck, it's a statement. It challenges everything from traditional midsize pickups to heavily modified off-road builds. And pricing? While official numbers may vary depending on configuration, expectations place the Trailhunter in the premium range of the Tacoma lineup. But here's the thing, you're not just paying for a badge. You're paying for capability, integration, and peace of mind.
No guesswork, no compromises, no endless modifications.
It's ready the moment you drive it off the lot. So, where does the Tacoma Trailhunter fit in the market? Right at the center of a growing movement. Overlanding isn't niche anymore. It's a lifestyle. And Toyota knows it. Instead of forcing buyers to build their dream rig aftermarket, they've delivered a factory-ready solution. That's a game changer. Competitors are watching closely. Because this isn't just a truck, it's a statement. It challenges everything from traditional midsize pickups to heavily modified off-road builds. And pricing? While official numbers may vary depending on configuration, expectations place the Trailhunter in the premium range of the Tacoma lineup. But here's the thing, you're not just paying for a badge. You're paying for capability, integration, and peace of mind.
No guesswork, no compromises, no endless modifications.
It's ready the moment you drive it off the lot. Think about it. A truck that looks like it belongs in a desert expedition film. A cabin that feels like a command center. A powertrain that blends efficiency with raw capability. And a design philosophy that prioritizes real adventure over marketing hype. This is more than evolution. This is reinvention. The Tacoma Trailhunter doesn't just follow trends, it creates them. So, is the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter the ultimate off-road machine? It's bold. It's intelligent. It's purpose-built. And it might just be the most complete overlanding truck ever offered straight from the factory. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-scale adventurer, this truck is ready to take you further than ever before. And maybe that's the real story here, not just where it can go, but how it changes the way we think about going there. Don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. And now we want to hear from you. Which feature impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments.